This is KC Strip Steak. I'm Pat Montgomery, owner and founder of KC Cattle Company. Obviously, most people know what a strip steak is. KC Strip, a New York strip steak, same thing. Cool story about it, not gonna tell now, you'll have to Google it and look it up yourself. Top 3 probably best sellers we have. Everybody knows what a strip steak is. It is delicious, it is packed full of marbling. It's an easy cut with a lot less fat cap and sinew and things like that run through it. Typically why people like strip over ribeye. Our best sellers go filet mignon, ribeye, strip steak. So this is number 3. I would argue there's actually a lot better cuts out there than the strip steak that are more affordable, but this is a crowd favorite.